Hey there, I'm Apple Crider with Investing Simple. In this video, we're going to be providing an in-depth look at the Firstrade free stock promotion and how you can actually get some free stocks by signing up for Firstrade. Now, many investing apps are using free stock promotions as a way to get new investors in the door. It's a very great way to entice new people by giving them free stocks, basically free money for signing up for your app. And that's exactly what Firstrade is doing right here. This competition between different apps is actually very beneficial for us, the users, because we need to take advantage of free stocks just for signing up for apps like this. So let's get into the Firstrade free stock promotion. So with Firstrade, what we're looking at here is 3 free stocks when you do sign up for their app. There are some rules, stipulations, etc. that we're going to dive into right now. So let's get into it. The first free stock you're going to be getting from Firstrade is just for signing up for an account. Okay, so when you download the app using the link in the description below and sign up for an account, you'll give them some information like your name, your birthday, your social security number. They need all this information to verify you are who you say you are and report your investing to the IRS for tax purposes. Once you get that account all signed up and approved, you'll be getting your first free stock. Now, to get the next 2 free stocks, you'll need to fund your account with at least $100 within the first 30 days. Once you do that, you'll get your second and third free stocks, and you'll have your 3 free stocks within your account. Now, a question that a lot of people have is, what free stocks are you actually going to be getting? Do you get to choose which stocks you want? Is it random? And so let's get into that right now. Well, essentially, it is a random lottery system that's going to determine which free stocks you actually get on Firstrade. So the dollar value of your stock that you get can range anywhere from $3 on the low end all the way up to $200 on the high end, and that is per each individual stock. So you could get anywhere from $9 total up to $600 total if you get all 3 of those free stocks. Now, the percentage chance of each kind of dollar amount is as follows. So there is a 90% chance that you're going to get a stock valued anywhere from $3 per share all the way up to $10 per share. There is a 1% chance that you'll get a stock valued from $10 all the way up to $50 per share. And there is a 1% chance as well that you'll get a stock valued anywhere from $50 all the way up to $200 per share. So that is for each individual stock. You'll go through that same percentage chance to see what stocks you do end up with. Now, you do actually need to claim these free stocks within 60 days of earning them. So once you have opened your account, you'll be eligible to claim the first free stock. And once you've funded it, you'll get the next 2 free stocks, bringing you up to those 3 free stocks. Now, you'll have 60 days, like I said, to claim those. So within the app, there will be a button that pops up. You have to click on that button, and then it will basically show you which free stocks you got. If you don't do that within 60 days, the stocks do actually expire. So you'll want to make sure that you do that. Now, once you claim them, it's going to take about a week for those stocks to actually get to your account from the Firstrade kind of holding pin where they keep them to get into your account. That'll be about 7 days, 5 to 7 days in general. And then you'll have to keep those stocks for at least 30 days. Now, you don't actually have to keep the stock itself, but you can't withdraw the money or the value of that free stock for 30 days. So say you got $500 in free stocks. You could sell those stocks right away if you wanted to, but you could not take the $500 out until that 30-day window had passed. That's just Firstrade kind of making sure that you don't just sign up, take the stocks, and leave. They want to give you a chance to actually experience the app a little bit. Now, one question that a lot of people have about these free stock promotions is, how are they actually going to be taxed? Well, this is taxable income that Firstrade is giving to you, so they are going to tax you on the value of those free stocks. They're basically going to send you a 1099 MISC form at the end of the year that's going to document how much they gave you in free stocks, because you can also earn free stocks by referring your friends. So all the free stocks in total that you earn for the year, they're going to report those to you, and you are going to have to report those as income on your taxes. This is standard for any basically free promotion that you are getting from any company. They're probably going to report that as income and send you a 1099 MISC at the end of the year. Now, overall, when it comes to the Firstrade free stock promotion, it is really one of the best ones out there. Okay, there aren't a ton of free stock promotions beating this one at the moment. So if you are looking to try out a new brokerage and get some free stocks in the process, Firstrade might actually be a decent option for you. And like I said before, there's a link down below in the description that you can use if you would like to support the channel and what we're doing here and get your 3 free stocks. Now, if you want to learn more about the Firstrade free stock promotion, we have a full comprehensive article on our website, investingsimple.com, that goes even more in depth than this video did. The best way to find that is to head on over to Google and type in Firstrade free stock promotion and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We will see you over there.